AI Daily News Update, the 10th of July 2025. 1. Meta adds voice avatars to WhatsApp and Messenger. AI can now read your messages aloud in your voice or custom voices. 2. Perplexity AI introduces focus mode. Refines responses using trusted academic and journalistic sources. 3. Grammarly's AI writing assistant gets research mode. Now helps users generate citations and summarize scholarly papers. 4. NVIDIA showcases AI-powered NPCs in gaming. Non-playable characters now react and speak with unscripted realism. 5. Duolingo adds real-time AI tutors. Practice speaking with lifelike AI characters in multiple languages. Don't miss out. Subscribe and become part of the family to see all our upcoming content.